Good morning. This 5 kVA Felicity inverter. We are doing the installation. Just follow. This is a fresh installation. Just on the inverter. It's a 24 volts system. So right now we are using this knife changeover, and we are also using this breaker for the input. So just take a look. These 2 wire, we are using it for the output of the inverter. Do you see? So this is the load that is coming from the DB. Take the DB up. Okay, so this 2 cable is the DB load. Is what we feed the building. Then this is a supply, a bypass supply for the generator. Let's assume you don't want to put it on the inverter. You want to take it. You want it to be working on NEPA. Just take it. Let for instance, your inverter has an issue. You don't want to, and you cannot use your inverter. What you just do, just take it to NEPA, your PhD, wherever you are washing, to your grid. So, but right now, down, as I said, it's inverter. This is the inverter output. So we have already trunk it. You can see. So we have trunk it. So now it's coming here. Just understand one system about your inverter. Come under. Do you see? Okay, can you see? We have under this place. You can see this is the AC output. This is where this output. This is where it's going. We have input. This is output, and this is our input. This is our input wire. Okay, this is what it's doing. So this 2 cable is our output. This 2 cable is our output. Then we have 2 breaker here. Do you see it? We have AC output breaker. We have a AC input breaker. So right now, come under these 2 terminal. We have red, and we also have black. These are for the battery. So depends of your connection. This inverter is 24 volts. We are going to do series. You connect 2 in series to give you 24 volts. 12 volts, you connect 2 in series to give you 24 volts. Then you take it straight to tie this to your battery positive, then this to your battery negative. Then after that, you on. So what? Mark it. This breaker is for the input protection, maybe for charging. So you turn it off. You turn it off, but now we are still on the installation process. So after this, we are going to show you. We are going to put it on. As we are also connecting the battery, we are also going to show you. Subscribe to this channel, and if you also have any challenges on your installation, also notify us. We will also assist you in giving you all the details to achieve your goals. So thank you. Now you can watch. We have terminated our red wire for the DC cable. This is DC cable for the inverter. So you can see. So it's terminated the negative. You can see. While doing all these things, you have to turn off your breaker. You have to turn off your breaker. Very, very important. You have to turn off your output breaker, and you have to also turn off your input breaker. So the next step is for we to connect our battery. The next step we are going to put this rack is for 48 volts and system, or you can also put a 4 battery system here. So we are going to put the 2 battery here. It's a 24 volts inverter, 5 kVA. So we are going to put the 2 battery here and do the termination. So just follow us. So you can see you have to tie this battery terminal to the inverter frame. Let it be very firm so that there will not be leakage, because it's a DC voltage. So to put the cover, just watch. This is the cover. So we are putting the cover. Just follow. You can see. So we are going to put the cover in the other part. You can see. So thank you. So let me give you screwdriver. Take care of it. So right now we have installed our rack. This is the two battery. It's a 24-volt system. Look, before you do any connection, you have to look at the DC input. It is the DC input that you will look before you do any connection. Note that this battery is 12 volts and this is 12 volts. We are going to connect a series for it to have 24 volts that can power this inverter. What are we trying to, what are we going to achieve it? Just know that it's positive what to negative. Positive to negative, then you take this leg to the negative and take this leg to the positive. So as we are doing the connection, as the engineer is doing the connection, just watch. It's going to show you the procedure on how you are going to achieve your 24 volt system. So okay, it's already on the process. You can see this is the, can you see this is the negative terminal of this battery. Just watch. So and as you are watching, you just have to be very careful so that you will not breach your terminal, so that two contact will not come in contact. It can lead to explosion. So just be careful and be guided, and also make sure that you tie your battery in a way that you can cover the terminal. Okay. Note, this is the battery terminal. This is one terminal of the battery. Just take a look as you are tying. Make sure that you can cover it. This is the head. Okay, you can see this is going to look like. So okay. Then this other terminal, this is also negative. So we are going to look for the positive. This is the positive. So now this negative is, this cable is going to the positive of this place. This is the positive. Do you see? So the cable that this negative is going to the positive